Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video, and today of course we're going to look at Btc USD. So today's video is a little bit shorter than yesterday. The time is ticking right now, and we are going to break out an important pattern within a day, maybe two. Before we go into looking at the charts, please do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, click on the bell, click, and also you don't miss anything. Leave me a comment, share the video with your friends if you think that's useful. Also in the description you find a handful of links. Some of them are affiliate links. We'll highly appreciate it if you use them, then I can buy myself an ice cream again. And you also find 2 links to my Twitter and Instagram. Feel free to follow me there. Alright, cool. Let's dive in. Here, of course, we're looking at the Btc USD chart on the 4 hourly, and a major pattern that we talked about is the falling wedge right here. And these were the trading patterns. Let me take these 2 out because they're not relevant anymore. And like I said, we're looking here at the 4 hourly. We're spending a lot of time here grinding along the resistance, along the top here. In the meantime, we're seeing that these RSIs are still split and a little bit going sideways. The momentum wave is a little bit rolling over. Money flow looks also like it wants to roll over, but we're kind of missing the real follow through because this sideways action has been now a day and 16 hours and is approximately 2%. If I zoom in on the hourly like this, then it looks a little bit different. Here the momentum wave is already a little bit lower. The RSIs are splitting up, and the money flow is just a little bit ugly together with the VWAP we're seeing here, red, green, red. So quite indecisive and a lot of sideways action, so it's hard to trade this. I also didn't trade at all yesterday. Sorry, I actually wanted to open up a short, maybe trade this a little bit down, but yeah, it is just very hard because it doesn't really have follow through. So what I'm looking out for, or what would be actually the worst case scenario, is that if this breaks out within a day or two, that would also then coincide with the Federal Reserve, because they will most likely rise the interest rates tomorrow. Yeah, so that will be on Wednesday. I think the market is already expecting it, and that they expect that the Fed will rise interest rate by 0.5%. Last time they did it with 0.25, but most likely they will now do it with 0.5%. If that is lower, then maybe the market will see that as something positive, and then the markets will go higher, and then also Bitcoin will go higher. If it is the 0.5%, then it's just what is expected. Then I think, I hope we are also going to break out, since this is a falling wedge and it usually breaks out to the upside. If it's more, or the news that comes after that percentage is very bearish, then I'm afraid that it might get very ugly. Few things that I'm looking out for and what could happen, and really right now I am not confident in a breakout or a break up, is that we are going lower, have a wick down, and then we're going higher, or we're going higher and then breaking lower, or going higher, lower, and then breaking higher. So trapping here all the shorts and trapping here all the longs, sorry, the other way around, trapping the longs and shorts and then going higher. What I actually just want to see is this going lower, deeper into the falling wedge, and the more it matures, the lower the chances of having a fake out. So if it then goes deeper, and then I hope we having a breakout, I will definitely putting a long then, or breakout and retest would also be textbook. That will be definitely perfect. But if we're breaking out today, then I think it can be ugly with fake outs either way. So be very careful. Like I said, maybe if I see that this follows through a little bit more, I'll put it in short to play this super tiny scalp. But also very tight stop loss. Once it is break even or in profit, right away put the stop loss to break even, just to make sure that you don't get wicked out. Because if something leaks out today on the Fed and this thing suddenly starts dumping down or pumping up, and you're on the wrong side, you're getting liquidated. So be very careful. On ETH, exactly the same story. Also falling wedge here on the market Cipher B, we have a momentum wave that's rolling over. We got a red dot right now. RSIs are splitting up. Money flow looks like it wants to roll over. VWAP is going down. So this one on the 4 hourly is a little bit more clear. It looks like we're really going to retest this bottom. That would be nice. Also here, same kind of story. If we suddenly start pumping or dumping and we're breaking out, I expect fake outs left and the right side. So be very careful. It could really go either way. Here again, I'm really hoping for more maturity and then maybe breaking out. That will be absolutely nice. Maybe coinciding with the Fed decision rate. That will be lovely. If we break out, let's say we don't get anything crazy, we'll break out somewhere tomorrow, then this could break to the upside. 3100 is then the level. If we break to the downside, then it would coincide here with our support and resistance on 2420. That will be then the target. I didn't mention the target here for BTC. Let's quickly do that as well. If we will break out here on the upside, then the target is 41,500 to 42. It depends a little bit, of course, on where we're breaking out. 41,500 to 42,000. That is our target. Let's see on the downside. There will be low 30s. Yeah, that will be 33,800 to 44,000. So 33,800 to 44,000 would then be the target. I am leaning a little bit more bullish, but like I said, I am staying very careful because we just have been in such a negative range and just grinding lower, and of course at some point there will be a turn and we're going higher again, but like I said, yeah, it's just pretty bearish, and if it breaks out maturely, then I think we're gonna see a lot of volatility. So right now it's super quiet. Bitcoin and the altcoins are barely moving again. If I look at this range, then we're talking about 2.5% in a day and a half, almost 2 days, and if we're looking a little bit longer period, then it is of course a little bit more, but it's still a lot of sideways action. So yeah, 2-3% over multiple days, so it is just not a lot. I think everything stands and falls with the decision of the Fed, so watch out for that. So I'm aiming tomorrow that we will break out on this falling wedge, the latest day on Thursday, but actually I think it's going to happen tomorrow. I really don't hope it's going to happen anytime soon, because then I'm thinking we're going to have some zigzagging and fake out. So be very careful, and of course always use a very tight stop loss. That will be it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Of course, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, click on the bell, click on also, you don't miss anything. Leave me a comment, share this video with your friends if you think that's useful. Also feel free to follow me on Twitter and Instagram, links in the description. And also right now you see popping up a video that I made yesterday, where we're going over the entire market, so not only Bitcoin and Ethereum, but also the dollar index, gold, silver, Nasdaq, S&P. Definitely check that out. Yes, it's a little bit of a longer video, but I think we cover pretty much everything in the market, so definitely check it out. Thank you guys so much. See you next one. Bye bye.